Is the Irish language used in modern media? Have you ever wondered how the Irish language fits into today's media landscape? The answer is quite exciting. The Irish language is actively used in modern media across various platforms, showcasing its cultural importance and revival efforts. You can find Irish in television, radio, film, music, social media, and digital content, all contributing to its presence in contemporary Irish society. One of the standout examples is TG4, a dedicated television channel that broadcasts primarily in Irish. This channel has a strong following, especially in Gaeltacht regions where Irish is spoken as a first language. Surveys indicate that a large percentage of audiences in these areas watch TG4 regularly. There is also a growing demand for more Irish language content nationwide, particularly in the fields of arts, culture, music, and documentaries. News reporting in Irish has significant support too, with funding schemes in place to promote quality journalism and bilingual programming. In the film industry, Irish language productions have gained international recognition. A notable example is Gaelscoileanna, also known as The Quiet Girl, which was nominated for Best International Feature at the Oscars. This nomination marks a significant achievement for Irish language cinema. Additionally, Irish language music is thriving, with groups like the rap trio Gaeltacht gaining popularity and even winning awards at international film festivals. Social media and digital platforms have become vital spaces for the Irish language as well. Hashtags like Gaelga generate millions of views on TikTok, and many content creators are producing Irish language content. Language learning apps, such as Duolingo, report high engagement with Irish, both in Ireland and globally. This indicates a growing interest in the language beyond traditional settings. Moreover, or Irish medium schools, and summer colleges in Gaeltacht areas are experiencing increased demand. This trend shows a rising appetite for Irish language education and cultural immersion. For travelers in Ireland, this means you will encounter the Irish language not just in historical or rural contexts, but also in vibrant, modern media and cultural expressions. Engaging with Irish language media can enrich your experience of Irish culture. It offers a glimpse into the language's role in shaping national identity and contemporary Irish life. Visitors can explore Irish language films, music, and broadcasts, and even participate in events or communities where Irish is spoken. This can deepen your connection to Ireland's unique cultural heritage.